Hello there and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and I'm so happy to have you here with me. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll keep up with all the tutorials and inspiration that I share here. Working in an altered book is a great way to break that blank page because you already have a page full of text ready for you to decorate. Today I'm working with photocopies and it's no secret that I love to use these in my art journals. Before I let you go for the tutorial, be sure and click in the description box below where you'll find details from my online mixed media class. The class is free and I hope that you'll join me on the dark side as we explore the colour black and create an amazing journal spread together. So I'm back today creating inside of my altered book, and this journal is fast becoming one of my favourite places to work in. I know it looks like I'm just throwing the paint down willy-nilly here and not really paying attention to it, and in some ways I am, but if you look, there's very definite sections to each of the different colours, and you'll see towards the end that I use these sections almost like a patchwork quilt to outline where exactly I'm going to put my different colours of art marks and my different types of art marks. I love to use this technique as it gives me a really great plan for when I come towards the end stages of my page. Colour combination here is really making my heart happy. I love that Quin Magenta from Golden. It's the high flow acrylic that I'm using here, and it's just mixed beautifully with the blue here and with the night sky blue as well. So do you remember I was talking about that patchwork quilt? Well, here is exactly where I use it to make my art marks. I'm using the blue to really define where the orange marks are going to go, and in a moment you'll see me using the green as well. I'm using the Liquitex paint markers. These paint markers are definitely one of my most used art supplies when it comes to working in my journal. So here's my photocopied flower illustration. I've taken this from a Dover book of illustrations of vintage Victorian flowers, and to give it a little bit of an extra detail and a little extra depth, I've used a piece of masking tape over the bottom of the stem. I almost wanted to make it look like it was, you know, like those pressed flower books that you maybe did when you were a kid. That's exactly the look that I was going for here. So, you know that feeling when you look at something and you think, I just don't know exactly what it needs, but it needs something? Well, the answer to that is always and will always be washi tape. Well guys, if you don't know me by now, you really don't know me at all. It has to be finished off with a found poem, and this one created just the perfect words because I had a mention of flower in one of the sentences and it just worked so well with the finished page.